Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from PDR Canada, and today we're going to talk about whale tails. Choosing the right whale tail for the job you're doing. So we have three options here. There's a small one, a medium size, and a large whale tail. So this tool may look confusing, but it makes a lot of sense once I show you how we use it. So now that we're under the hood, we could see the bracing here. And now you could see where the need of a tool to get underneath the bracing would come in handy. So a whale tail is thin, so what you would do is just slide it into the brace. And then you would use a twisting motion. In this case, this brace, you could see this tool is a bit loose in there, so it's not really ideal for this application. So that's where the bigger whale tails come in handy, is for bigger open spaces that you're in. So this one, even the medium size still wiggles. So now we have the ultra wide whale tail, which is perfect.